Simple time. Run a consulting practice without the spreadsheet chaos. This is the 2-minute tour. Sign in with Microsoft Entra, Google, or email. One identity carries across every simple intelligence group product, so the user you create here works everywhere. Hartwell Strategy Group, a 12-person consulting firm. Marcus, the managing partner, sees everything. Most users see only what they are assigned to. Change that in settings. The badge reads Hartwell, not Simple Time. Every tenant can rename the product, upload a logo, and point a custom domain at our edge. White label ships on every plan. 3 sidebar sections. Workspace for daily work, Manage for finance, Admin for owners. The admin section collapses by default, so most users never see it. Press Command-K or Control-K on Windows. Jump to any screen, project, client, or teammate without touching the sidebar. The palette is also where the AI agent lives. That is the tour. Next video, an empty week to an approved timesheet.